How to copy photo settings on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Lightroom, this is the home page as you can see. Now click on all photos and upload a photo from here, or you can choose if you have an already one from here. I'm gonna choose this one. Now let's say that you just finished editing your photo and now you want to copy those settings. All what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top corner right here. Sorry. Go here, click on those three dots and click copy settings. Choose the settings that you want to copy. Then click save. Now the settings are copied successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.